When research teams invest years into building new knowledge, one challenge remains: turning those results into real impact. The Dissemination and Exploitation Academy of the widerAdvance facility is here to help you do exactly that. The Academy is a hands-on support service designed for teams working on Horizon 2020 or Horizon Europe widening projects. If your results have potential but need support to make them visible and used, this is where you'll find the right expertise. The Academy brings together a small group of research teams, guided by experienced dissemination, communication, and exploitation specialists. Our partners include some of Europe's most recognized organizations in D&E, innovation management, and knowledge transfer. Whether your results are methods, tools, data, policy insights, or technologies, they will help you understand their real strengths and how to move them closer to uptake. The service combines practical workshops with personalized coaching. You will work with experts who will take time to understand your key exploitable result and your challenges. Together, you will build a clearer strategy, improve how you communicate your findings, and explore concrete ways to increase your results' visibility and use. You will learn how to identify what makes your results valuable, communicate effectively with different audiences, manage intellectual property and knowledge transfer, work towards adoption by industry, policymakers, or other users, and plan how your results can last beyond the project's lifetime. At the end of the Academy, you will receive tailored recommendations and a clear plan for what comes next. Strong performers can also access matchmaking opportunities and additional support through the facility. The service is free of charge and open to teams from widening countries, outermost regions, and associated countries who apply to the widerAdvance open call. If you want to raise the visibility of your work, strengthen your D&E strategy, and increase the real-world impact of your research, the Dissemination and Exploitation Academy is for you. Apply through the widerAdvance facility open call and take your results further.